Hello, friends. Welcome back to my world. My name is Luna. I am not just a cat. I am the manager of this house. I am the queen of this apartment. And I have a very busy schedule. Let me tell you about my morning. Mornings are difficult. The sun comes up and the birds start singing. I like the birds, but I do not like the empty food bowl. It is 6 a.m. The house is quiet. My human, Sarah, is sleeping. She looks very peaceful. She is dreaming. Maybe she is dreaming about me. That is a nice thought. But dreaming does not fill my stomach. I jump onto the bed. It is soft and warm. I walk carefully. 1 paw, 2 paws. I walk towards her pillow. I look at her face. Her eyes are closed. She is breathing slowly. I wait. Patience is important for a cat. I wait for 1 minute. I wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I am bored now. I sit on her chest. I am not a heavy cat, but Sarah makes a noise. She says. This is a good sign. She is alive. I decide to use my special technique. I put my cold nose on her ear. Then I make a small sound. Not a loud meow, just a polite request. Meow. She moves. She pulls the blanket up. She tries to hide. Silly human. You cannot hide from Luna. Now I must be louder. Meow. Meow. Sarah, the bowl. It is empty. It is an emergency. Finally, one eye opens. She looks at the clock. She looks at me. Luna. It's too early, she whispers. I purr loudly. I rub my head against her hand. I know she loves me. I know she will get up. Yes. She is moving. She is standing up. Success. My day has officially begun. After breakfast, I wash my face. I wash my paws. Hygiene is very important. A queen must always look beautiful. Then I go to my office. My office is the big window in the living room. Humans watch Netflix. Humans watch YouTube. I watch the window. It is the best show in the world. Today, the show is very exciting. There's a squirrel. A small brown squirrel. It is climbing the big tree outside. I hate the squirrel. It is too fast. It has a fluffy tail. It looks at me. It knows I cannot reach it. I hit the glass with my paw. Bang, bang. Come here. I say in cat language, come here and fight me. The squirrel runs away. I win. I am very brave. Then the mailman comes. The mailman wears a blue uniform. He brings paper to the house. I do not trust him. Why does he come every day? What does he want? I growl a little bit. A low sound in my throat. Grrr. I must protect the house. I must protect Sarah's papers. The mailman leaves. Good. He is afraid of me. Oh, look! A fly! A small black fly is inside the house. This is a breach of security. My eyes get big. My tail starts to shake. I crouch down low. I become invisible. I am a tiger in the grass. The fly lands on the table. I jump. I miss. The fly lands on the lamp. I jump again. I miss again. I knock over a cup of water. Crash! Sarah runs into the room. Luna, what are you doing? I sit down. I look at my paws. I pretend nothing happened. It was not me. It was the wind. Being a guard cat is exhausting. I chased the squirrel. I chased the fly. I scared the mailman. Now it is 11 a.m. It is time for a nap. Humans are bad at sleeping. They sleep only at night. They sleep for 8 hours in a row. That is boring. Cats are experts at sleeping. We can sleep anywhere. We can sleep anytime. We sleep for 16 hours a day. It is a lifestyle. First, I must find the sunbeam. The sun moves across the floor. It is a warm, yellow square of light. It is magic warmth. I find the sunbeam on the rug. I lie down. I stretch my body. I stretch my front legs. I stretch my back legs. I am very long. I look like a noodle. I close my eyes. The sun warms my fur. But wait, the sun moves. 10 minutes later, the sunbeam is gone. It moved to the left. I must get up. I move 2 steps to the left. I lie down again. This happens all afternoon. I follow the sun. I am a solar-powered cat. Sometimes I have nightmares. I dream about a giant vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is a monster. It is loud. It eats dust. I think it wants to eat me too. In my sleep, I twitch my paws. Sarah sees me. She says, "Look, she is running in her dream." Yes, Sarah, I am running away from the vacuum monster. Save me. It is late afternoon. Sarah is home, but she is not playing with me. She is sitting at her desk. She is staring at the glowing screen. The laptop. I do not understand the laptop. It is warm, which is nice, but Sarah looks at it for hours. She clicks the mouse. Click, click, click. She types on the keyboard. Clack, clack, clack. She is ignoring me. This is unacceptable. I jump onto the desk. Hello, I say. She does not look. She says, "Not now, Luna. I'm working." Working? I am more important than work. I decide to help her. I walk across the keyboard. My paws press the keys. Queroworn XCVB. Look, Sarah, I wrote a sentence. Sarah sighs. Luna, you just deleted my email. She picks me up and puts me on the floor. I am offended. I jump back up. If I cannot touch the keyboard, I will sit in front of the screen. I sit very straight. My tail covers her view. Now she can only see my beautiful fur. Luna, please, she laughs. She scratches me behind the ears. That feels good. Right there, yes. She stops working. She talks to me. You are a distraction, she says. But you are cute. I know, that is my superpower. The sun goes down. The moon comes up. Most humans get tired at night, but for cats, the night is party time. We call it the zoomies. Suddenly, I have energy. Too much energy. It is like electricity in my legs. I cannot walk. I must run. I run from the bedroom to the kitchen. Zoom! I drift on the wooden floor. Scrrrd. I jump on the sofa. I jump off the sofa. I attack the curtains. I attack a shadow on the wall. Sarah is watching TV. She looks at me. She is confused. "What is wrong with you?" she asks. "Nothing is wrong. Everything is exciting." I find a small plastic bottle cap under the fridge. It is the best toy ever. I hit it. Smack. It slides across the floor. I chase it. I am a professional soccer player. I play for 20 minutes. Then suddenly, the energy stops. My battery is empty. I walk to the bedroom. Sarah is in bed now. The lights are off. It is dark. I am not the hunter anymore. I am just a small cat. I jump up. I find my spot near her feet. It is warm here. I feel safe. I start to purr, purr, purr. It is my lullaby for Sarah. She reaches down and touches my fur. "Good night, Luna," she whispers. "Good night, Sarah," I think. I close my eyes. Tomorrow, I will catch that squirrel. But for now, I sleep. Everyone did a fantastic job today. Through this story, we successfully practiced many important yet simple English sentences together. Keep practicing these basic vocabulary words and sentences. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so we can learn more fun English stories together. If you have any other stories you'd like to hear, feel free to let me know. Bye for now.